Welcome back to the 221 channel. Just wanted to give you a walkthrough on a project that we're doing. It's a commercial project. We're going to convert this building into a really cool floor plan and a really cool storefront. So we wanted to take you on a tour of what it is that we're doing and how ICF technology is playing a part in what it is that we're building here. Okay, so we're inside the back side of the building, and you can see that the room is really, really big. A lot of space in here. And what the customer wants is they want us to create freezers so that they have places to store cold storage. We're actually going to create and assemble the cooler walls out of the Crown ICF product so that then the inside is really easy to maintain. The guys are laying out the area here where the box is going to sit so that they have the perimeter of where the cooler needs to be. Then they know right where to have our saw cut team come in and cut out the floor so that then we can go in and dig the things that we need to dig inside the footprint. You're going to see lots of details of where the guys are doing the work to set the framework so that then the coolers can be built on it. One of the other things that we engineered into this, we are spray foaming underneath the floor. So not only will it have an exterior thermal envelope, but it'll also have a thermal barrier between the cooler and the ground underneath. We want to make this video so that you guys can follow along with this particular project and see what it is that we're doing. Thanks for joining us. We hope that if you're on YouTube that you click and subscribe, stay abreast of what it is that we're doing. We got tons of ICF builds going on in all kinds of different environments. So join our channel, subscribe to us, and watch what it is that we're doing.